Do you climb Parnassus? How are you spending your time every day? It is pretty fundamental for you to be a person who understands the value of consideration. It goes without saying that to consider something important is a must. Nevertheless, first, you've got to be a person who understands the importance of feeding. As to the feeding, there are two I direct experience. First, I direct imagine what it is. Upon occasion, imagination gives you some chances to deepen the matters. Some people do not understand the importance of imagination. If you are ready to imagine some matters, you understand this mechanism. It is pretty essential and meaningful to first imagine things. Imagine first. After experiencing imagination, you should be ready to feel deeply in your heart. Repeatedly, I can tell. I'd like to ask you a question. Do you climb Parnassus? Do you imagine something essential and feel what you get through imagination? At the temple of Apollo in Parnassus, Greece, you come to feel, you come to understand the importance of this mechanism. You are here surrounded by great nature, which is very beautiful. Through spending in such great nature, you come to feel something mysterious. Mystery in your heart engenders some possibilities for you to consider important matters. Then you can start real intellectual voyage. Clamorousness is the one you don't need. Tranquility is the one you really need no matter what. Tranquilly, I'd like you to deepen matters. I'd like you to experience profound intellectual voyage ad infinitum.